Yeah, probably.
Well,
I didn't know that there was a cop either.
You guys want to run?
I'm pulling you over.
Oh, I'm getting pulled over, bro. Should I go?
It's up to you. I'm stopping.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, he pulled you over. Okay.
I know, bro.
Interesting. Hey, try to keep your mic on though.
I didn't know, bro.
I think
I'm so sorry. Dumb decision.
Yeah, you really could end up hamburger meat pretty much get shoveled off of this road through that type of her. You know, oh god.
I'm not one of those.
Well, I do appreciate that.
Okay, well, he took his helmet off. Bro, that sucks.
Yeah. I definitely thought I was getting pulled over.
Yeah, if you want to leave, bro, I don't blame you. I can meet up. If you want to just get off the next exit, we can meet you there.
Why? I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, give me a ticket for not displaying my plate right. That's fine.
Alright, well, he doesn't seem too happy, so that's why I'm like, I don't know, bro.
I mean, it's down now, so...
Well, I just hope they come talk to me, so then I can make a thumbnail, be like, pulled over on the H2, bro. Yeah.
I mean, you were cruising, bro.
It was
You
a
guys
sick...
gotta be mindful for that. When we go to these
Homie,
meets, bro,
it
cops
was-
just sit there, bro.
Homie, it was a 65, I'm doing like
It was a
70.
60.
Okay, I'm still doing 70. I'm doing faster than the speed of traffic, which is for my own safety. I will argue that all day in a court of law. I was not doing any... Dude, I'm in break-in. There's literally no way I'm
I
doing
don't know
anything
why
crazy.
you're, like, getting all aggressive right now. I'm just saying. You gotta be mindful of shit.
No,
like,
I'm
both
like...
of you.
Okay, I'm
Kenny-
sorry. I
Kenny
thought
out
you were
here
coming
doing
at me.
wheelies
I
and shit.
apologize.
No.
I thought you were coming at me, bro. My bad.
I'm just saying for,
It's a
like,
high-stress situation, that's
I don't
all.
want to see this shit happen. That's what I'm saying. Like, you just gotta be mindful of this.
I don't know, homie. I was mindful. I was paying attention to the situation. I mean, not really. I'm in break...
Really?
Man, listen, okay, I was,
That's a quick backtrack there.
I don't have to be mindful because I know I'm not going to do anything crazy on this bike because it has 250 miles on it. I'm not going full throttle. I'm in rain mode, dude. I'm, like, in the lowest mode. If I go full throttle, it goes nowhere. I know
You're limiting yourself. I like that.
It's actually, like, I like the rain mode during braking because even, like, at full throttle, it's only doing, like, 20%. So, like, even if I try to go fast, I can't. So
That's a good plan for sure.
I like that about this bike. I don't know why he stopped under the underpass. It's such a dangerous spot to be. I guess he does have blinking lights
At least
behind him.
at least he's in the shade.
I know, yeah, we're kind of cooking. I mean, I feel all right. I'm kind of vibing.
I'm kind of cooking.
I wonder if I could hear our conversation back there.
Yeah, right.
I don't know if I would have, if I was Kenny, I would have turned off my center or just like turned it down or something. I don't know. Is he getting arrested or something? Not getting arrested.
I hope not.
Well, he doesn't. He still doesn't have a license, so.
Oh, really?
No.
Damn, bro.
Well.
See, this is like you gotta have.
Wait,
that shit.
hold on. I thought I heard something.
Yeah, you can kind of hear him talking, but you can't really make out what they're saying.
I'm wondering if I can go back and post and figure out what they're saying, but I know she was yelling at him. Looking at us like, why are we stopped? Because
He's putting his helmet on. He's putting his helmet on. I think they're letting him go.
Yo,
Yeah,
good?
they let me go for sure.
No way.
I didn't even have my temps for real.
I hope us sitting here, like, waiting for him help.
I don't.
It definitely does.
I think it would for sure. Like, his friends sitting there waiting for him. Like,
The way the cop was coming at her, I don't know if you heard the cop, but she was like yelling at him. So I think she wanted a chase. She had all that adrenaline.
She's like, I'm surprised you stopped. I'm like, I'm really not one of those assholes.
That's probably part of the reason they just let you go.
Get on,
I don't even have my temps.
That's crazy.
They didn't even check your license?
Bro, you need to
They
get that
checked my
shit, dude.
license. I gave him my driver's license.
You need to get that shit, bro. For real. Stop playing with that.
I know. I was supposed to. I'm gonna get it.
All right, just better start your bike there because it's coming over.
Watch him immediately pull me over now.
Go, 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 go.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Just go.
I'm definitely doing a pulled over on the H2 video when I get home. Thank you, Kenny, for paying for my next bike.
Fucking asshole.
Kenny went through all this stress, bro.
I was sitting there stressing my ass off. What are you talking about?
That's
Shit,
how
I gave her my insurance. I gave her this bike belongs to me. So if she look it up, if she looks it
Hey,
up,
buddy.
she knows.
Let's go!
I'm actually almost done with the braking on this bike, dude. I got 339 miles. I only need like 100 something more.
That's crazy.
140 more. I mean, I rode it a lot today, bro. I went to a bike meet today, and the one dude who I knew was like, I didn't expect you to actually be out on it. I thought you just got it for content. I'm like, did I not say in my video that I plan on actually riding it? Like, what the
I would just buy an H2.
Apparently, people thought me. I'm a day in already, or like, what, 36 hours in? I already got like 400 miles on this thing.
Dude, if I had enough money to just buy that nice, like that expensive a bike just to let it sit there, I still wouldn't do it.
I mean, it's dumb. Like if I wanted a garage queen, I'd get a poster. It's dumbest. I mean, I get like buying it for content, like whatever. Like you're a content creator, it's what you do. You buy an H2 to get views, but it's like, no, dude. Like I genuinely was curious, and no one ever let me ride their H2, so this is the only way I was gonna find out. Please don't spill it all over my tank. At least, I mean, I could detail these when I get home, but I was so sad. Yeah, 4.5 each, I think. But you don't have to fill it up to the top. Yeah, please don't run on my bike. That would be nice.
No, I would not. I've never done that before anyways. So.
If we get pulled over, it makes a great... there's a cop right there, too. I'm literally looking at him goodbye. If we get pulled over, it's just... Oh, pulled over on the H2. It's great content. So I'm like, whatever.
If we get pulled over and I hand him my license, my hands will be shaking. I'm just...
I mean, always, bro.
Cool. I'm gonna try to play it cool and be like, you know... I'm not,
I mean, I could try to play it cool, bro, but trust me, I'm always, like, freaked out a little bit.